guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is an exciting video because this is a haul video. This is so much fun, so maybe for me, but I hope it is fun for you. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to just get into it. I did buy some stuff during March, my birthday month, and they finally arrived and I cannot wait to show you guys what I got in the haul. I only do hauls when there are Ulta or Sephora sales going on, and last month was the 21 days of beauty sale from Ulta, and then again just currently, and I believe it's still running now, or it could be done by the time you see this video, Sephora also had their VIB sale where we get 15 to 20% off. So I just took advantage of it. I couldn't help it. This is the time where I restock on my favorites, on high-end brands that I normally can't afford, so why not? I also went and shopped at the Goldie box shop. So if you haven't seen my Goldie box unboxing, definitely check it out. It's a new and upcoming brand. It's cruelty-free, vegan, all-natural brand, and it's a brand with a cost. Definitely check out what I got. Okay, first one that I got is this cute little cup. It's a wine cup, but you know, I don't drink wine a lot. Oh, this is so cute. Actually, I have one like this and I've been using it for tea. Swig Life is an amazing brand, very good quality brand. This mug right here is a 12-ounce bottle. It keeps your drinks cold up to 9 hours and hot up to 3 hours. Love it because especially for tea and my coffee, I put it all in here, guys. I'm the type of person that starts off a coffee and doesn't get to it until like 3 hours later. So I love that my tea and coffee is still warm. This color is so cute. I need to have it. Other thing that I bought from the Goldie shop are these sponges. So Goldie box is owned by my friend Jessica from Everything Proof Beauty, and this is one of her most favorite sponge. So this is a cruelty vegan brand and I can't wait to try it. It's by the brand Base Blue. I love the packaging. I bought two. The other one is already in a giveaway pile, guys. I am nearing 1,000 subscribers, and you know what that means. We're going to have a giveaway once I reach 1,000, and it's gonna be a major one. Let's just go gold key, gold clean key. So why is it called a gold clean key? Okay, I got one for two of my friends and I got one for myself. And now I'm thinking I should have gotten one for the entire family too. This was in Goldie box winter box. This is like a touchless, do everything for you key. Haven't tried it yet, but you're supposed to be able to use this to unhook and open doors. You can also use it to hook, like when you're in a public bathroom, you need to open the door. You can use this to pull at the door. This one right here is a touch keypad where, you know how when you're at the grocery and you're typing in your PIN for your credit card, right? You don't have to touch the numbers anymore. You can use this little pointer thing here. This keeps your hands away from most public places that are heavily trafficked. Very low key, but it does a lot, especially now with COVID. I think I need to buy some more. It does come with this little cute, I don't know what this is. It has a tassel, so I guess this is where you could put your keychain, but this is cute though. Like I would hang this on my car, like, it's so cute. Let's go on to Sephora. First thing I got from Sephora, and it's no surprise to you guys, is the Huda Beauty foundation. I have it on right now and it's looking really good. I cannot wait to talk to you guys about this. Review is coming next week because this is the foundation for the month of April. Definitely be on the lookout for a future video and I'll tell you my thoughts about this and you might be surprised. The other item that I got is a mini size Tatcha silk canvas. So this is everywhere. I mean, it's a staple. A lot of people love and rave about this, and I want to know what this is all about. But I heard that e.l.f. putty primer is supposed to be a dupe for this, so we will see. And some people actually like the e.l.f. brand more than the Tatcha one. This one is a $22 mini size. The full size, I believe, is like $50 or $70. It feels so good on the skin. It just glides on nicely. It's for free using my points. I got the travel size Urban Decay long-lasting makeup setting spray. I love this, and I keep these for refills. I have the big bottle right here, and then when this is empty, I refill it, and I am good to go again for traveling. Since it was my birthday month, I decided to treat myself with this. The Marc Jacobs Iconic Palette. Marc Jacob has a variety of these different color combinations. This one is more of the Frost palette. It has amazing shimmers, great quality. The only thing is, I love warm tones, and these two right here are amazing mattes, but they look dull and muddy on my skin tone. So maybe I need to play around with it more and make sure that I'm using it correctly. But I love all the shimmers, are amazing. I mean, they just pop on your eyes. I love the quality. I bought this only for $34 because it was on sale. I'm glad I got it for myself. I've never tried Marc Jacobs eyeshadows before, and now I know. Okay, the other thing that I got is the Ole Hendrickson Balance It All. I'm all about balancing my skin because I have super oily skin. Green line is the one for oily combination skin. It comes with the oil control cleanser, oil control toner, and the oil control hydrator. They are good sizes, guys. Wow, especially the cleanser. This is huge. I cannot wait to try this, especially for the summertime, and I will get back to you and see how it reacts to my skin. My girl Jackie always comes up with a purple lip, and I've been admiring her purple lips for so many videos. So I got myself a purple lip. This is by Fenty, and I got it on sale for $7, so I had to get it. I know I'm not gonna use the purple lip a lot. Look at that! I got the purple lip. Since it's $7, why not? It's drugstore price. It's actually cheaper than L'Oreal, so I'm just gonna get it. I do love the Fenty formula. I mean, I have like 2 other colors right here. So I'm gonna try this on right now. Are you guys ready to see me in a purple lip? I'm a meh for this one. I love the formula, but I don't know. Okay, I think it makes my teeth more yellow than it should be. This was fun. It was fun to try. Let's move on. I also got some Sephora eye mask. I think I got them for like $2.50 when they're originally like $5 each. And you know me, I can't resist a good eye mask. This is a lychee or lychee eye mask. It's a biocellulose mask. I got me 2 of these. One is going to be in a giveaway. Yes, so that is everything from Sephora. The big bulk here is actually from my Ulta order. Ulta's 21 days of beauty sale. You know I'm all about it. If you want to see my Ulta recommendations for the sale, I always have it on for you, usually a day or 2 before the sale begins, so that you can get all your calendars organized. First, let's just start with Roller Lash. I haven't had this mascara in so long. It's been a while, so I'm so glad I finally got to repurchase this again. This is one of my favorite mascaras. It's very lengthening, very volumizing, but at the same time, it's very separating. Like, it's really a good job. I don't want to open it because mascaras expire so quickly, but it has that kind of curved feature that I like. I got the KKW lip liners. So this was originally $24. I got them for $12. I got Nude 2, which is a medium warm nude. I am putting one in a giveaway, and let's try this one because I've never tried a KKW item or product. Here's what the packaging looks like. right there. Yeah, this is definitely right up my alley. So it's definitely warm, it's definitely nude, and it's gonna be perfect for my skin tone. And I got 2 of the Beauty Blender sponge. You know, these are like $20 each. They were on sale for $10. I had to get 2 and stock up. I'm still debating if I'm gonna put this or this sponge right here in my giveaway. Subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, you gotta subscribe. If not for the giveaway, honestly, there's always something to learn here on my channel. Next item that I got is actually the Benefit Gimme Brow, because my old one is starting to dry up and just get clumpy. I have the color 5. It's amazing for your brows because it gives you kind of like that hair-like stroke. I'm not gonna open it yet, but in case you're wondering what it is, this is my old one. And it has this tiny little brush that works just perfectly on my brows. So this next one I've done a video on, and thanks to this I was able to put my hair up today without showing you my bald spots. So if you haven't seen my shorts video on how to cover bald spots, definitely check it out. But I use this Tarte Big Ego Brow and Root Camo Kit. This doubles up as a brow and root kit. When I'm in a rush, I just color my scalp and it blends in and it looks like I have a full set of hair. So I love that about it. Originally $30. I got it during the Ulta sale for $14.50. So if you come across, give it a try. There's different colors. This one is for the brows, the brush for the brows, and then this one is for the hair. It's just a quick touch up. Amazing. For years, I've been hearing all about Ofra and their highlighters. I know how good they are. I mean, there's just too many people saying how good it is. And they finally went on sale at Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. I got 2. They are originally $35, guys. Expensive. They went on sale for $17.50. It's already dirty, so this has gotten a lot of love. This is the Beverly Hills one. And if you are not like me, obsessed with makeup, this would be an amazing palette in itself. Yeah, Ofra knows how to make their highlighters. This is the brown gold one. And there's one that's more like plummy. It's more like a cool tone brown. You get, you know, all the shades that you need. So I think it's an amazing deal. The second one, which is the Rodeo Drive, which is an oldie but a goodie from Ofra, is a different color. I just had to. It's just way too good. Yeah. Even if I tried to mix and match the colors of these and try to turn it into this, it just did not work. They were just 2 different colors. So I had to have both. And that's it for me for highlighters this year, I promise. The other thing that I bought is from Tarte, their double duty shape tape, ultra creamy shape tape. So this is a new one from Tarte, guys. I figured this one, this hydrating one, might work way better for me. It's good under the eyes, but I'm still testing it. There's something glitchy about this, but it does have the same coverage as the original shape tape, so we'll see. I got it for $13.50 instead of the original price, which is $27. Can you believe it? Crazy how expensive makeup products are. Next one is the Kate Somerville Cleanser, Daily Foaming Cleanser. I've used only one item from Kate Somerville, their Exfoliate. I like it. It's not my favorite. I think I still love Dr. Brandt's Microdermabrasion. I just gotta say, I love the physical exfoliators more than the chemical. I don't know why, because I feel like it's doing something right then and there. But to some people, that could be a little too rough for them. Exfoliate, I love that it's a daily cleanser. Removes my makeup, even with a full face of makeup. So I've been really enjoying it. And I love the color. Let me show you. It's a green one. I don't want to like squeeze into it because this is expensive. It's actually for formulated with some AHAs, which is AHAs, and pumpkin, papaya, and pineapple enzyme. So they do have that exfoliating quality to it, but it's very gentle. So I would say those AHAs are very low on the ingredient list, but it's a good cleanser. So it's $20, originally $40. This one I got blown away by the packaging. This is by Beekman Golden Booster Vitamin C Serum. I'm very sensitive to vitamin C. I feel like it breaks me out, so I have to be careful. This bottle is everything. Let's see if it's sticky or not. So there's that little dot right there. It's very creamy and smooth going on. Let's give it a sec. But it's so cute. Got myself Lancome Idole perfume. So funny because I just emptied a Lancome Tint Idole foundation. I cannot wait. It was on sale, half off during the 21 days of beauty sale, so I just had to try it. I'm not gonna open this because this one I got for my friend, but it's one of those that gets better over time with your body chemistry. Okay, and the last item, I got two again. This is the Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner by Stila. Like I said, when this goes on sale, I get me one of these. My friends get them. Everybody loves this. Got this half off for $11. It's originally $22. I got two colors. One is gonna be in a giveaway. This one is the Intense Black is gonna be in a giveaway, and I'm keeping the Smoky Quartz. I also have the dark brown in my collection, so that's what it looks like. Let's compare that with Smoky Quartz. This is the Smoky Quartz, guys. It's a close shade to brown, as you can see, or a lighter shade of black, if that makes sense. So sometimes the black one is too intense for my everyday look. It's a deeper shade of brown. It's perfect for everyday. That is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, so all of these products are gonna get put to the test unless I know them already. So be on the lookout for that. Subscribe. We're so close to 1,000. Come on, share this video. There's always something to learn here on my channel. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.